Hello everyone, welcome to Sarasin channel. Today we will start with the US trading session. First of all, good morning to guys who just joined me. Let's watch the trailer first. Hello everyone. So we have like 10 minutes before open. Let's sum it up some positions that we opened last week. And I already made some posts on StockTweets account, and you can join me in StockTweets room too. Okay. So basically what we have here today is positive mood of the whole market itself. I was trading today in Euro session, and we made like 9k during the day because most of the markets went up, and there was positive data on Germany and French economical data. Right now, the Europeans market that are still open, they are pulling back a little, but they were green before. You can check it during the day. So today we don't have fundamentally. We just have 3-month bill action and all of that. And except tomorrow, we will have PPI. Personal. I think it's just let me to be sure. Producer price, yeah, it's showing us the real sector of economy, the condition of the production, and we also have retail sales tomorrow, which is very significant to the whole GDP process and all economical development. Plus, we have retail sales monthly to monthly and year to year. Um, I think they want to. We will see the opening, of course. And I just checked some news today, and I watched CNBC as you guys, with Kramer and all his ideas. The most important thing is that if they will break 31,620 or higher than 620, then in general the whole week will be green. That's the first sign. And the second sign that we have the 33,000 as a target for Dow Jones for this year. Mostly it can be it really can happen this month, of course. But let's hope for the best as usual. And we do must have like in Euro session I was talking about today, that we need a plan, a trading plan. Like we check economical data first, then we check the opening of the other markets, then we concentrate on our particular stocks that we open it during our trading presentation. Okay, so we can use this idea, and if you are not agree with that, you can contact me whatever platform you're using, Facebook or in social media, or the guys who know my number. Anyhow, that's the point I want to bring in. I mean, we need to have some simplicity, and at the same time, our time is limited, and it must be efficient. The efficient use of our time, it's most important thing in, for all time being. So last week close was good. Daily chart of Dow Jones here is pretty kind of a not so strong, I would say, to sum it up. Okay, but hopefully this week we will see the weekly chart and the daily chart above levels. Okay, because that could be the doji of the falling star. I mean, it's close to above it, but still they could make a fake breakout. Okay, so it's very simple, guys. We control the risk, we control the negative information that could come to you, that could harm your accounts, that could harm your positions and your monthly statement overall. Okay, according our monthly statement, we have $63,000 starting from $10,000 last month. I mean, it's in the beginning of the month anyhow. uh, we have some negative position on Tesla, which is 3,000, which is absolutely acceptable during the market hours. Anyhow, I also wanted to note you that some of the stocks will open gap up, which means that if you have like psychological barrier, if you cannot open stocks during Friday or at the end of Friday or the Friday itself, you're doing bad because you are losing a lot of chances, a lot of opportunities to buy more and to buy very cheap. Okay, because we all know that MMAs they do have influence on media, not 100%, but they do, and they have like emotional tools to uh, to affect the retailers, to retail traders and retail investors, small cap traders, and in whole. And if you do have that, you should work, and we will work together. You can join me, and on Friday especially I will open some of the most important good stocks, and with the confident consistent movement. And this consistent movement must be during the whole month and the whole period of trading. Okay, very soon I will have some news for you. Very soon I will show you our application, which is which is about ready. Plus there will be some news on website updating information also, and many more. So we're not standing on one platform. Okay, one step. Okay, so let's check the opening. The opening is 4 minutes. Yep, 4 minutes. What do we have? Now the euros showed us some of the negative movement down a bit, because there was some speculations and rumors regarding the German data, but it's not that horrible as it should be, because Germany did suffered from the pandemic lockdowns, and the economy itself had some of the major signs of damaging. Okay, there was, but hopefully it will come out overall in 2 months or 3 months with very positive information. Uh, that German CEO current conditions, it's like sentiment, Michigan, and all that. It's a bit higher, so there was speculating during the day on Bloomberg and other news, which made possible pullback, which created the mood of the investors itself. Okay, but I was trading also with the Middle Eastern markets today, and many of them went so high that I was not even expecting. Some of the mobile companies like STC 7010 made new high today on 116 reals per share. So basically you can see that they do have a very good expectations. I mean, you can use that in your long-term strategies, and it could be your another psychological help for making big positions and strong positions. Okay, so we have 2 minutes till open. Let's open 1 minute chart, and then we will make some risk management and capital management. Of course, we will see which stocks we should take the profit and get out and forget it for about 3-4 days. or we will add more if there is a good sign of movement up. Okay, futures is 31,500, so 30, oh, it's 58. 587, 31,185. It's cool. It's near our level at 620. Why this level? Because this is the daily level. They make a strategy and tactical movements according to the long-term positions, of course. Hedge funds especially, they love to do that. They make like a plan with the efficient rates and calculations that they make for the 3-month minimum. That is why it's good to be on that side, on side of MMAs, rather than betting against them and trading against them. Because I'm saying this to perma bears, okay? It's good. The opening is solid, better than I was expecting. So let's get back to Tesla first, okay? The opening was red first and red dodgy. We'll leave it, okay? That's my decision on Tesla. My decision on Netflix. Let's see that pink level. 557. Okay, it's good. It's very good. So we'd like $4 profit from the buy price. We will leave it to tomorrow. We might add more. Okay, on Netflix. Then Google. Let's see the Google first. Second test of 21,000. 2100, 2118 now. Okay, kind of no, I think it's gonna be consistent and solid. The movement, there is no damaging news coming and feeding the market and feeding the bears. There's no fear that they can use against us, which probably is the main key of retail, small cap traders. I mean, you always must know about the risk and the risk of trading itself and the positions that you take. Okay, 67,000 is our equity now. I will leave it Google until tomorrow. Tomorrow I will add because we still need the close of the day. They will drag some more. They will show us new highs, but the close of the candle in the daily basis, that's what's important. Okay, and Facebook is also good. Facebook is just starting the movement. Okay, I told you 270, that could be the second wave here. And as you remember. Okay, let me show you that chart that we made. Okay. So, just 1 second. Should be here. I mean, there's obvious third wave right now, as you can see. It's very big candle, very big green candles. One candle opening is 271 and the second candle is 27250. It's a very huge movement for Facebook itself. Regardless, it's their market structure. Yep, that's the E waves. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and could be the first wave, bigger sequence, and the lower sequence it could be the A, B, Z, C. Sorry, okay, just let me highlight here. and we'll make it like big ones, but not red, which is green. Okay, so this is the wave sequence, alert waves analysis. You can check it on Google. It's very, very interesting scientifical knowledge that you should obtain for sure. Without that, you cannot call yourself a trader, at least if you don't know the alert wave sequence. Okay, and see, so it's a zigzag formation here, and there's a first and third wave. The third wave could be, I will tell you the end. Of course, let me show you. Just hopefully the Fibonacci's are installed pretty good. Okay, so this is okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. The sequence from to see the end of the third wave, you must draw it from first wave of the same sequence, okay, on the same period. And let's see, no, it's not that. I need some adjustments I need to make because it's showing us different period. Okay, let's try that. Okay. So, yep, it's showing the 1.661 could be the end of the third wave, which means that's the target we could obtain by this position on buying it from 268. Yes, 268. If we will obtain it and if we will sell it on here, that's a correct and solid and accurate alert wave analysis. But wait, there is more. There is more because this is in the 50% of cases of all third wave, there's 1.61% up, and in 80% of cases, there's 2.618%. So we have like 80% probability that it will reach 283.86. Okay, so we're at the start, guys. I mean, we got it around here, and we passed all that consolidation period. As I said, there's some consolidation period that you should wait. Okay, and Tesla is making bear trap again. They love to make bear traps. I think that one of the hedge funds is like, a pro in bear traps. Okay. So let's leave it like this. Tomorrow we will check it again. Join me on my US trading session because I have to go. I have some other businesses to do. Hopefully you learned something today and you will join me tomorrow on